To fit a standard 22 by 22 centimeter 3D printer, the stock was split into two parts that need to be glued together. Instead of using regular instant glue, I recommend a two-part epoxy here. It serves two purposes at once. It bonds the parts together and fills the larger gaps left by the printing process. I recommend using plastic clamps to hold the two stock parts together during the 1 hour needed for the epoxy to fully cure. You can wipe off any excess glue with a wet tissue. It cleans up easily as long as the epoxy hasn't cured yet. About 1 hour after the epoxy has cured, you can sand down the excess to fully level the surface. I used P120 grit sandpaper to prepare it for painting. Now we can move on to painting. For this project, I'm using raw umber acrylic paint applied with a stiff brush. Since the plastic surface is light, the stiff bristles slightly expose the plastic while painting, helping to create a wood grain texture. We do the same for the forend. The last step is to coat the painted stock and forend parts with a clear varnish. All metal parts are best printed in black PLA and finished with a matte black paint to eliminate the plastic shine. For added realism, I recommend lightly dusting some parts with silver or aluminum paint to simulate worn metal, such as the rings, the trigger, and possibly the insert. This part is optional and up to whoever is building the model. The stencil included in the set can be used to apply authentic markings to the grenade using spray paint. I tested several colors, and black worked best for me. The trigger guard assembly consists of the base, the protective trigger frame, and the clips that connect them. It's very simple, so I pre-assembled it. The result looks like this. The large cylinder should face forward. The serrations on the sight must face the shooter. Pay close attention to the sight orientation. The sight locking button should be on the left side of the receiver. Before gluing anything, fully assemble the barrel first. Make sure the barrel ring fits into the corresponding groove in the forend. Do not glue the parts until you are completely sure the assembly is correct. Otherwise, you may have to reprint parts. That happened to me as well.